Okay, Year 12, welcome to your video. Today we are going to have a look at multidimensional arrays. Here's the questions we're going to answer. What the hell are multidimensional arrays? And wait on, I just thought I could only store one concept per index. How the hell am I going to do more than one? Okay, what did we do in prelim? We looked at single dimensional arrays, so just one data type. So for example, an array of names. Jim, index, well, if you're using a zero-based array, like, I don't know, Python, yep. So index 0 would be Jim, then 1 would be Bob, then Tim, then Tom, then whoever hell else the name you want to use. Yeah, single dimensional array. Multi-dimensional also requires one data type, but you can have multiple number of indexes. Let me show you what I mean. Okay, so a two-dimensional array example. Say, for example, you wanted to store the assessment task results from one class. Instead of just storing the results like 57%, 45%, 20%, yeah, you wanted to also associate them with a student number. You could have a two-dimensional array called assess results. You could have one part of your index being student number and one part being task number. So here's my array. It's called assess results. And student number 6, that's his identifier. Task number 4, he got 59%, or 59. We wouldn't put percentages in there. That's an example of some data that could be stored in a two-dimensional array. So most of the time what we'll need to do in software design is to kind of explain the concept of two-dimensional arrays. When you're looking at two-dimensional arrays, the best way to kind of visualize them is in a table. So for example, that student number we just looked at, student number 6, in assessment task 4, 59. Okay, but say that's not enough information. Say you wanted another dimension. You can also have three-dimensional arrays. Let's say we also wanted to identify and discriminate by class number. So our array would be now three-dimensional. We'd still have assess results, our array number, but you'd start with class number, then student number, then task number. So if you have a look down here, we have assess results we're calling again, and in our brackets they are class number 6, student number 14, task number 4, they got 65. Okay, so if you look at this, class number 4, student number, what does this marry up with? Student number 4, task number 1. Okay, so this task number here, yeah, that goes across task number 1. Class number 4, student number 4, task number 1 got 65. So three-dimensional, you need that, you kind of visualize them or kind of get an understanding of them via a cube. Most commonly, that's basically the easiest way I can explain it to you. More than 3 dimensions, good luck.